Woo! Guys, oh my god, I am so gassed up right now. I am so goddamn gassed because you guys already know from the title of the video. Today we're going to be unboxing something that I've been talking about for the longest time. I even made a separate video to even say I hated the first ever generation that came out. Wow! And there we are. It's on the table, the third generation. Samsung decided to have have another try to it. They decided to, give it a third go. The first time they did it, it didn't go so well. Second time, it was a little bit of a hit or miss. Now the third one, well, it's supposed to be good, but we gonna find out ourselves. Anyway, guys, I'm so gassed, bro. I've literally have not seen the front of this box. I'm not looking. I've literally been seeing the back of it. I don't know what to expect. I have no idea what I can't even talk, man. I have no idea what I'm gonna be, what to expect. So yeah, oh my god. Woo. For my subscribers, you've probably never seen me like this before, but this is how I get when I'm gassed. It's a Samsung product, mate. Bro, in fact, man's gonna have to go road, you get me? Man cannot wait, cuzzy. Man cannot wait to open this box. This box is going to be open. It's going to be open. Woo! I'm sweating, guys. I'm sweating. You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. Oh my god. Guys, if you're new to the channel, if you want to see more of this hypeness, woo, you gotta hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that goddamn subscribe button, man, because we in the house now. Right, so we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the first one came out, second one came out, now the third one is out. Hopefully, praying to God Almighty that this impresses me because I've always wanted a fold, but obviously I've not been able to have one or keep one because they're just not up to scratch. And I hope this changes my mind. Come on, Samsung, you got, come on. Anyway, box is sealed. I'm going to be giving this away as well. So for you new subscribers and the old subscribers as well, stay tuned, like the video. I'm going to get through the whole thing for you to be able to win this. So this can be delivered to your door at the end of the video. So stick around. Anyway, right. Let me get my reaction looking at the box up front of the box. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting more than that. I was expecting more than that. It just has the Z logo on the front and a Samsung Galaxy, that means Galaxy Z Fold 3 at the bottom there, 5G. I mean, I guess it's alright. I mean, they didn't really think about the box, they thought about the actual technology inside of this box. Anyway, let's freaking unbox this thing. Right, let's slice in. Woo-hoo. Oh, wow. Right, flat box. So I'm guessing there's not going to be a charging brick or maybe a charging cable, but not a charging brick, but we're going to find out. Anyway, let's do this. It's been a while we've unboxed anything on this channel, but oh my god! Oh, look what we're presented with. Wow! Look at that! Look at it! Oh, it's not even the good part yet. Ooh, oh my god, bro, that looks absolutely amazing, bro. That looks so crisp. I like that they've brought in the design from the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra onto this phone with the protruding camera module, which is fantastic. Which is absolute. Look at that. It produces out a little bit. I don't even know if I'm saying that word right, but you see, it comes out just a little bit. Oh, wow. The first time I'm ever holding a Galaxy Fold phone on my hands. No, let's forget that for a minute. Let's see what else we get in the box. Woo, what's in here? We have, oh nice, I like the way they packed it all. That's literally everything in the box. Literally, you get the phone and you get this. That's it. The phone and you get this little kind of envelope thing that has all the paperwork and stuff you need. You got your warranty card, obviously, and you got your quick start guide tutorial there as well to help you out navigate through the device. But obviously, we don't need that here because we're a Samsung guru. So let's just go with it. Nothing else. Then obviously you got your SIM ejector 2 there as well. You can pop your SIM out straight in, and then I like what they've done with the USB cable. Unfortunately, we do not get a a charging brick in this box, but Samsung are making it that you don't get charging bricks anymore. You should have some from your previous phones anyway, so you should be able to charge it regardless. But they give you a nice USB-C to USB-C cable to be able to charge it in case you're coming from a device that had the normal USB to USB-C or normal USB to the old-fashioned USB mini USB port. But anyway, that's that. Let's get rid of this. I don't want this. I don't want this box. I want this. Right. First of all, let's see. Is there any specs on this, man? This is the green. Forgotten what color green it is. I think it's some Pathomante green or something like that. I'm not entirely sure myself. But 120 gigabytes of storage on this bad boy. So yeah, let's do the peel. Oh no, I thought it peeled upwards. It peels sideways. What's going on there? Oh wait. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Wow. The green is I don't know. Wow. Wow. Like I said, it's my first time ever holding any fold device from Samsung, and wow, that feels absolutely incredible. Wow. No fingerprint display fingerprint scanner on the front. You get it on the side there, which is also added in as the lock button as well. So you can see it right at the side there. So just put it in, unlock it, and there as well you have your volume rocker up and down. And then on the side here we have the SIM ejector location, so you can swap your SIM card out and swap it with another one. And obviously you got the 2 in the box that comes with it as well. And then yeah, you got the camera mount module as well. Give you guys a nice little better look of it. It's absolutely amazing. Look at the bump. It's got like a nice little hump to it. Right, let me start this thing up. I haven't even closed it yet. I cannot wait to see how good this screen is on the front. Wow. The design of this phone is just absolutely insane. Do we even call it a phone? Should we call it a tablet? I don't even know what we should call it. Look at that. Oh my god. Woohoo! Wow. Sorry about my cough, guys. I've got a little bit of a sickness, but nothing to worry about. Yeah, I'm gonna let this load up, warm up. Whew. Oh my goodness. Wow. They've really thought about everything, man. Everything. Got speaker grills on the top and the bottom as well. Wow. 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 This phone is absolutely insane. Right, I'm gonna quickly set it up and then I'll come back to you guys in a bit. Right. I've just set it all up. Literally just finished setting it all up. Oh wow, I just launched Bixby by accident, and boy, oh boy. Wow, first impressions, absolutely gorgeous. I've cleared the table so you guys are concentrating on me and this device. Wow. Whew, it's doing crazy things. Wow. You can do landscape, you can do portrait. Oh my goodness, wow. This phone is absolutely gorgeous. I haven't even closed it yet. Anyway, one thing I do realize, the front screen over here, when you obviously open the device up, when you open it up, it's not glass. That's one thing you have to bear in mind, and they do say you have to be very careful with this display, the panel that they use for this inside display. But for the back is actually glass. So that's glass. So the screen at the back, well, the front of the device is glass, and here is unfortunately plastic. But yeah, I wasn't really expecting the green color to be like this. I was expecting it to be a little bit more brighter, but it's a bit more of a dark green. I'm just gonna put it out there. The colors that you see online or whenever you go to actually purchase these devices, the color of the green is not what you to expect from the pictures online. It's actually got like a dark green kind of vibe to it, which I don't know if I'm feeling it or not, but should have just went with the black one. But I thought, you know what, let me get the green. Green's my favorite color, and let's just see how it goes. But yeah, anyway, let's close this device together. Wait for the slap. Ooh, tell me you didn't like that, guys. Wow. It's like it just closing the device and actually holding it in my hand reminds me of the Sony Xperia. What was it? The Sony Xperia. I forgot what it was. Oh my goodness. The new one, the long one. That's what it reminds me of. Literally. Oh my god. Can I even pocket this? God damn. Actually, you can pocket it. It's alright. Feels right. It just feels like a regular, normal, 6.2 inch display devices out there that you can get. But yeah, man, it feels so damn good. The closing mechanism is so much more better, and you get a nice little Samsung logo there as well. When you close it in the middle there, it looks absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, wow. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, if you do actually I forgot, oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, guys, for you guys to be able to win this device, all you have to do is go down below in the description section below, click on my link tree. You have to be following my TikTok, you have to be following my Instagram, you got to follow everything on my link tree, and also you have to be subscribed as well for your chance to be able to win this. And also comment down below when you obviously go and follow me on all my social media, including TikTok. Comment down below and tell me you followed everything, and also tell me down below that you want to win this phone. And yeah, you guys have 2 weeks and I'll choose the winner. Actually, not even 2 weeks. If we can get this video to 2,000 views, yeah, bro, I give it away. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, oh wow, I definitely have. I've been so gassed since the morning when I knew the phone was coming. Oh mate, I've been so gassed. By the way, when you close it, it does have a little bit of heft to it, so just be wary of that. But yeah, anyway, guys, please subscribe, like the video, share the video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.